2008 Honda Fit. Remove these bolts. I think they're 10mm bolts. And then this is gonna be, so there's about like, there's two up here. You can see there's one right there. This is disconnected, a plug. Then there's another plug right there, disconnected. There's gonna be two more on the bottom. Some more action right here. There's plugs right there. Gotta disconnect that from the radiator. See what we got going on. The reservoir.
Oh, that one? There's just that one bolt?
For the reservoirs, that bolt, I believe this bolt, probably another 10mm. And then I don't know. That's connected to the radiator, yeah. Also removed was the air. The air box was removed to get access to your hoses and whatnot down here. So remove that. Also disconnected the battery. All right. And then there's your little, you gotta remove, not remove them, but you gotta put those down. Clamping it up. Draining the radiator. You got the radiator out, move this condenser forward, and then wiggle the fans out of the way, and try to get the radiator through this spot right here with wiggling. You got this sensor here. The new one came with the plug. There's a new one, some
Temperature sensor, I believe.
Some China stuff.
Put the plug. Put it right there. New plug. Hold up. Wipe it down my shirt real quick, you know.
This guy.
Hand tight. It's a 17. There we go.
So after getting the radiator in, there's issues because it's not a OEM style. The fans don't really mount on the bottom, so something's gonna have to be done about that. And I got the hoses back on up here.
Oh, the
reservoir. This radiator, aftermarket radiator, didn't fit correctly. The fans don't fit. So I try to put some zip ties to secure the fans for this freaking radiator. Aftermarket, it didn't work. Made in China.